Today I am going to be making ramen noodles with cheese and hamburger meat right here. Okay, ramen noodles right here. All right, so first thing you're going to need is ramen noodles. Right here I have chicken flavors, one of my favorite flavors. You're going to need that and a microwave safe bowl. I have the rapid ramen cooker right here. All right, then you're going to need a piece of cheese. This right here is all American cheese right here. All right, and then you're going to need hamburger meat. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we are going to open up the ramen noodles. And then we're going to pull out the seasoning packet and place the seasoning packet down in the container. All right. So once we place the seasoning packet in the container, we're going to put the ramen noodles down here like this on top of it, and then take the crunchies that are left inside and pour it on inside. Then we're going to add some water to the bowl. I'm just going to fill up to the line with water. And then I'm going to cook the ramen noodles for about 3.5 minutes. All right? Put it in the microwave. All right, after 3 minutes, I'm going to take it out. Be careful because it will be hot. I'm going to strain half of the water from out of it. Maybe 3/4 of the water from out of it. And then I'm going to stir it a little bit. And then I'm going to take the hamburger meat and pour it on top. And then I'm just going to stir in the hamburger meat just a little bit. Just like that. Let me zoom in so you guys can see it a little bit. And then I'm going to put cheese on top of the recipe. Place it in there and then put it back in the microwave for 30 to 45 seconds. All right. After 45 seconds, you can pull the ramen noodles out. Be careful because it will be hot. And I'm just going to zoom in for you. Look at it. So this is done. The cheese has melted. Okay? You see the cheese is melted. The hamburger meat is in there. It's looking quite nice. And one only thing that I'm going to add to it is some Frank's Red Hot sauce. Original cayenne pepper hot sauce. So I'm going to open it up and just sprinkle a little bit of hot sauce. Just a little bit, not too much. Get it down like that, and then voila. There you have it. Ramen noodles with hamburger meat and cheese. Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.